All right, welcome to globalwealthtakeover.com. My name is Andrew Newman, and in this video, we're going to be going over one of the most powerful free sources for traffic and leads for your online business. Now that you've actually got your autoresponder set up and you are ready to start building your email list, it's very important that we use the resources that we have. Now, there's two different types of marketing that you can do to build your list. There's paid and free. With this video, we're going to go over a free strategy using one of the world's most trafficked websites called Craigslist. Okay, and I'm actually going to walk you through the process of creating a Craigslist account and posting up an ad. Okay, there's actually going to be three things that you're going to need to do so that you can create your Craigslist account. One of them is obviously you're going to need to log into Craigslist.org. Second is you're going to need an email account, which I've actually already logged into a Gmail account that I created for this purpose. And you're going to need a telephone because Craigslist actually verifies. Phone verifies your account to make sure you're a real human and you're not just creating boatloads of accounts just to post ads and spam. So what they do is they phone verify every single account. You can only have one account per phone number. Now, in another video, we're going to go over how to actually create an unlimited amount of accounts and get an unlimited number of phone numbers that you can use to create those accounts absolutely free. But in this particular video, we're just going to stick with teaching you how to create your very first Craigslist account and post your first ad. Okay, we're also going to go into a little bit of strategies that you're going to want to follow when you're posting ads on Craigslist so that you don't end up getting your account banned, your ads delisted or ghosted or flagged. Okay, there's a lot of little strategies that we can put together that we use in our marketing to be able to prevent that from happening. So, okay, the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to pick a city that we're going to want to market in. So what I like to do is I like to do it within a general vicinity of me. Now, I live in Elko, Nevada, which is right around this area of the country. It's basically a hub for some pretty decent sized cities like Reno, Nevada, Boise, Idaho, Twin Falls, Idaho, Salt Lake City, Utah. And those are the areas that I'm going to personally be advertising in. With you, you want to take a look at what your geographic location is and advertise in the cities and towns around you. Okay, that's going to be the first key to keeping your Craigslist account active and your ads up. Okay, you don't want to live in Southern California and be posting in Maine because Craigslist is going to be like, wait a minute, well, why are you posting ads over there when you live over here? And your account has a larger chance at getting the attention that we don't want to have. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to go through here. I'm going to pick a city. I'm going to pick Reno, Nevada. Okay, the Reno Tahoe Craigslist area because I haven't posted an ad here for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to click the Post to Classifieds up here in the top left. Okay, so once we've gotten here, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Apply for Account in the top right under Log into your account. Now here's where it's going to ask for our email address, which I have at gmail.com. Okay, so my email address is globalwealthtakeover@gmail.com. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Account. Now it says, thank you for signing up with Craigslist. There's an activation link that's just been emailed to you. So we'll come on over here to our email, and you will see right here our Craigslist new account, globalwealthtakeover.com. Please log into your account here. Thank you for signing up. Go ahead and click on that link. Now, it's going to ask us to create a password, which I will do. Make sure that you know the password. Okay, write it down if you need to. And I have successfully set a new password for this account. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to go in and actually place my ad. There's some terms and conditions here. You can read through this. Basically, it's just inoculating Craigslist from anything that you're going to do, from any lawsuits or anything like that. Go ahead and accept that. And here we are. Okay, now we are in our account. Now what we got to do is we got to post an ad. So we're going to go right back over here to Craigslist, Reno Tahoe area. Now obviously we've got a lot of little sections that we can post in here. Just for time purposes and the sake of this video, I'm going to post an ad in the sales and business development under the jobs category. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of people posting Avon and all these little companies right here, flexible time or part-time, work from home and limited earnings. These are all people posting a network marketing or referral-based company on Craigslist. Okay, now Craigslist doesn't want people doing that, but it still happens, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to start separating ourselves from the masses. Okay, we're not going to be talking about unlimited income. We're not going to be talking about any of that kind of stuff. Because we're promoting DSDomination, our focus is to teach people how to build a income using e-commerce. It has nothing to do with referral marketing or network marketing. While we can refer people and there is a network marketing business model associated with DSDomination, that's not what our goal is when we're placing ads. Our goal is to get people to purchase the course so they can start their own e-commerce business. So I'm going to come up here in the top right and I'm going to click post. Okay. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be offering a job. Now this isn't really a job per se, but you do work. I personally prefer this over any type of clock me in. Now here's your guidelines for posting in jobs. It cannot be a business opportunity. It can't be multi-level marketing or referral marketing. It cannot require any upfront fees or any nudity. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and post in here with DSDomination. We're getting around these guidelines. Number one, it's not really a business opportunity. It's an e-commerce training course. It's not an opportunity at all. It's a way to teach you how to make money on the internet. Multi-level marketing, yes, DSDomination has the multi-level marketing model, but we're not going to be promoting that. So we're also not going to be doing the referral marketing either. There is no upfront fees to be able to do what we're doing because using eBay and Amazon, you don't really need the course to do that. You can do that without purchasing the course. You can simply watch the sales video and be able to accomplish that. So there's really no upfront fees that are required to teach a person how to do what we're doing. Okay, guys? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on I abide by these rules. Okay, come on down. We're going to look for our section again. It is sales jobs. Okay, and then here's where we're going to be posting our ad. Now, one of the things I want you guys to be very, very keen on is you do not want to just copy and paste ads, okay? What will happen is if one of your ads gets flagged by a user or Craigslist employees, is they're just going to start going through Craigslist and looking for ads with that exact same copy. So you're going to change your posting title every single time. I'm going to do learn to earn with e-commerce. Okay? Course for online study course. Okay, so here's my title: Learn to Earn with E-commerce Online Study Course here in the Reno area. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to put some basics here. Learn how you can earn income with e-commerce. Must be 18 or over. Okay, now we want to make sure that we put limitations on it. Must have access to the internet. Must have basic computer skills. Okay, and must be able to work 3 to 5 hours per day. Okay. So these are our criteria. Learn how you can earn online income with e-commerce. Must be over 18. Watch our introduction video and apply. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my website. I always start with http://. That's going to tell Craigslist you want to turn this into a clickable link. Okay, so we're going to go to our Global Wealth Takeover.com/apply. Okay, now this is actually my capture page. This is the page that I use to collect leads when a person clicks on the link. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add a little of that. Underneath here, I like to put a warning. Okay, no credit card required. This is not MLM or referral marketing. I always spell referral wrong for some reason. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so basically, guys, this is our ad. Learn how you can earn income with e-commerce. Must be over 18, must have access to the internet, must have basic computer skills, must be able to work 3 to 5 hours per day. Watch our introduction video and apply. Got my link right there so that they can go and apply, put their email address in, and watch the video. Okay, now our compensation, I like to put anywhere from $475 to $725 weekly. Okay. Okay, we're going to highlight this job for people with disabilities because, you know, anybody can do this as long as they meet the criteria that they're over 18, have access to the internet, have basic computer skills, and are able to work 3 to 5 hours per day. So if they're telecommuting, anything, it doesn't really matter, okay? So what we're going to do is our ad is all done. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Now there's a couple things you can do here. You can add an image or you don't need to add an image. Personally, I don't bother. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and click done with the images and click publish our ad. Now what we're going to run into is the phone verification step. Okay. This right here, what we're going to do is we're simply going to go to our email account and it's going to ask us to put in our phone number. Okay. So come over here. Here is my post. Need to learn to earn online. What it's going to ask me to do is click on this link right here. And it's going to bring me to a page where it's going to ask me to input my cell phone number so that they can verify that I'm a real person. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay. And I would like to have it via text message and in English. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and send that code. Give it just a moment. My phone should be ringing. All we're doing is waiting for Craigslist to give us a call here. And they're going to give me a file. Oh, hey, they text me. I'll be darned. Okay, so here they go. They text me my code, Craigslist secret code. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And this says that I am, and click the submit verification code. Okay, this says that I'm a real person and thank you for posting with us. We really appreciate it. Now your posting can be seen here. Okay, so here's our ad live. In God we trust, all others we check. So what we're going to do is we're going to click our link just to make sure that it works. And it looks as if it is going to work. Here's the capture page that we have created for this particular offer. And that's it. Okay, so we can go into our Reno Craigslist. Check the sales and business and development. It doesn't look like it's posted up yet. Give it a couple of minutes, up to 10-15 minutes, and this ad will actually show up right here at the top. Okay, and that is it, guys. Hope that helps you walk through posting your very first ad on Craigslist. Here's the email that I got saying that it is available. Here's a posting ID. None of that's really that important at this point. But now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to post an ad every 3 days, every 72 hours into Craigslist. And that's going to give you a series of leads. Now, one of the things I want to make sure you guys do understand is that you don't discount small cities, okay? Small cities are really, really awesome as far as being able to post. So, for example, if we come in here, I live out here in good old Nevada. So if we go to our Craigslist, okay, and we take a look at Nevada. Nevada's not very populated. So Nevada here, we have 3. We have Vegas, which everybody knows, Reno and Tahoe, and the Elko area, okay? So if we take a look at our Elko area, this is actually where I live, okay? So we look in our retail and our wholesale positions, okay? You're going to be able to see in here that there's a lot of ads, right? But they don't really go very far very often, okay? Because see right here on the top, we have from November 7th, okay, gourmet scented candles. Again, that's another person who's in the network marketing, referral marketing industry, advertising on Craigslist. But when you're posting in larger cities, okay, for example, when you're posting here in the Elko area, you're not going to, your ads aren't going to be pushed down as fast, okay, because there's not as many people. See, here's mine that I posted December 6th. That was 2 days ago. There's only been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ads that have been posted since then. So I'm still getting traffic. I'm still getting a little bit of that Craigslist love from this particular ad. Now let's take a look over here at, say, for example, Billings, Montana. I've been posting some ads here. We have sales and business development. And we're going to go through and I'm going to find another one of my posts. Okay. As you can see, they're getting buried rather quickly. And that's simply because this area actually has a lot more people who are posting ads, okay? So the smaller the town, the more likely it is that your ads are going to stay at the top longer and you're going to get more traffic out of them. All right, guys? So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope this video helps you get some traffic, get some ads posted up there, and start generating leads with your new autoresponder. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Andrew Newman signing.